network. Good morning, sir.
Hello.
बोलना बोलना
So students, are you able to see the page on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first, let's read the instruction. Name the kind of the given sentence. So you can see this is our classroom. Which kind of sentence is this? Nice
Assertive.
Is it? Adjective sentence. There are two types in the adjective sentence. One is negative and one is
Affirmative.
affirmative. So this one is
Affirmative and
affirmative
interrogative.
sentence. You will write first sentence is affirmative sentence. Affirmative.
Assertive sentence क्यों लिखा है?
Don't go by this na. Why? This is book of one student. So
और handwriting
don't
समझ
go
में
by
नहीं आ
this.
रहा है.
इसको मत देखो आप. Just we need to discuss. ये किसी student का book है. इसको आप मत देखिए. It has a blackboard.
Which page number?
It has a blackboard. Second sentence.
The affirmative sentence is
The
it
side.
has a
Sir, affirmative sentence.
Now students, it has a blackboard. You can see on the screen. It has a blackboard. Again, this sentence has started with subject. हमने discuss किया था. Any sentence starting with the subjects, ending with the full stop. That will be the adjective sentence. And in adjective, there are two types: affirmative and negative. So there is no not has not been used. So it is affirmative again. Second sentence is also affirmative. Same sentence, affirmative sentence. Let's talk about the third sentence. There are no window. You can clearly see negative word no has been used. So third sentence is negative sentence. Those who do not have the book, you can see the screen right in the copy. I have just shared the screen for you. And those who are having the book, they can easily note down in the notebook. In third, students, you can see there are no window, so it's negative sentence. Let's talk about the fourth one. You can clearly see it. Walls are not painted. Again, negative word has been used. So again, this sentence is again negative sentence. Fourth sentence is also negative sentence. You can note it down. As far as fourth sentence is concerned, you can clearly see helping verb has been used first. So when the helping verbs like is, am, are, was, were is used at the beginning or initially, then that sentence become interrogative ones. ये interrogative sentence है. So fifth you write interrogative. Fifth जो sentence है, कौन सा sentence हो जाएगा अपना? Interrogative sentence. Why? Because in this sentence the question is being asked and helping verb has been used first. Helping verb पहले use हुआ है. So the fifth sentence is interrogative. Look at the sixth sentence. There are only charts. There are only charts. Again, the subject is there and the sentence is ending with the full stop. It means it is a affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence again. Next sentence, seventh. Do the students not sit on the benches? You can see clearly again, question mark is there. So just if question mark is there, it's quite obvious that this sentence is interrogative one. And you can also see clearly that helping verb has been used first. So this one, seventh sentence is interrogative one. Let's talk about the sentence number 8. There is a chair for the teacher. Again, sentence is starting with the subjects, ending with the full stops. Again, affirmative. Sentence number 8 is again affirmative sentence. Sentence 9, are the desk not painted? You can clearly see, students, not as well as helping verb has been used. So if not is also there, helping verb is also there, question mark is there. So such sentences are called interrogative negative. We will write interrogative negative. Sentence number 9 is interrogative negative sentence, because negative word has been also used as well as question mark is there and helping verb has been also used. So we will write interrogative negative. Interrogative negative sentence. Now let's talk about the 10th sentence, sentence number 10. This conference hall is not ventilated. You can clearly see not has been used, so not is a negative, it creates negative sense, so negative word. So this sentence is negative sentence. I hope you understood, you all understood it, सबको समझ में आया होगा. If there is any problem, you note down the. Shivam Prabhat is raising hand. Let me take his question. What question he is going to ask? Shivam Prabhat. Yes, Shivam, you ask your question. Now you can unmute yourself and ask your question. Is there any problem? Shivam Prabhat.
सर वहाँ पे इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंस लिखे हैं.
Yes.
सर 7 में इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव होगा.
7th sentence. एक मिनट, just hold on.
सर फोल्ड में सर क्या होगा?
Yes, yes.
सर फोल्ड में
Not is also you has been used. So correct it.
राइटिंग समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
सर 7 में
सर फोल्ड में सर क्या होगा?
में क्या क्वेश्चन है?
फोल्ड में
Fourth is negative.
बताइए.
साइड.
Again, I
Sir,
am
which
telling you,
page
you
number?
listen all, don't speak. Everyone listen again. Yes, sir.
हाँ बा.
थोड़ा ink भरवा दीजिए. Now you everyone listen again. I am just repeating all sentences quickly. This is our room. You can clearly see first sentence, it's affirmative sentence, match your answer. It has a blackboard. Again, it's affirmative sentence. There are no windows. Third sentence is negative one, negative sentence. Its walls are not painted. Again, it is negative sentence. Fifth sentence, are there posters on the walls? It's interrogative sentence. There are only charts. Again, it's affirmative sentence. Do the students not sit on the benches? You can clearly see helping verb is there, question mark is there, but negative word is also there. So 7th sentence you can correct. It's interrogative negative. Correct it, interrogative negative. Earlier I didn't see the not word in that sentence. Therefore I told you interrogative sentence. So correct it. It's interrogative negative. Let's talk about the 8th sentence. There is a chair for the teacher. Again, it's a affirmative sentence. Reason is that subject is there and sentence is ending with the full stop. Are the desk not painted? Again, helping verb is there. Not is also there. So it's again interrogative negative. 10th sentence, not is there and subject is there. So it's adjective, and in adjective it's a negative. So you write only negative sentence. I hope everything is clear now related to this exercise. We will move to the next exercise related to this chapter. Again, complete the sentence with appropriate question tag. Yes, we will discuss exercise B. I hope you are able to see the screen. First, read the instructions. You can see, change the following into affirmative sentences. Change the following into affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentence में change करना है. Don't worry, let's discuss it. The dog is not a faithful animal. So you can clearly see, students, not has been used here. So we need to remove not. हम इसमें से क्या करेंगे? To make this sentence affirmative, we will remove not. हम not को वहाँ से क्या करेंगे? And हटा देंगे, and everything will be as it is. और बाकी सब same रहेगा. अब बस वहाँ पे लिख दो, the dog is not faithful animals. One student is there. Let me just deal with him. Let me just talk to him. So it will be, again you can see no word is there, so we need to remove it. A dog has a tail. We will write fifth sentence. Let me write on the board. A dog has a tail. It will be the affirmative sentence of the sentence number 5th. A dog has no tail. Let's talk about the sixth sentence. Look at the book. Sixth sentence, you can clearly see its eyes do not shine at night. So it would be its eyes shine. Its eyes shine at night. You just need to remove do not. आपको उसमें से do not क्या करना है यहाँ पे? You can clearly see it eyes. We need to remove do not. Do not को हम remove कर देंगे, and rest of the words will be there as it is. Like it eyes shines at night. Let's talk about the seventh sentence. They do not have different colors. So they have different colors. You remove do not. Do not again आप remove कर दो केवल. And sentence would be like that. They have different colors. They have different colors. You only need to remove do not. Let's talk about the last sentence. I do not like pet animals. So again, you just remove do not. इसमें भी आप do not को केवल remove कर दो. Just remove do not. And sentence would be like this. I like pet animals. Sentence would be like this. इस तरह sentence आपका बन जाएगा. I like pet animal. So I hope you understood it. If there is any problem, I will take your questions. Now it's time to discuss the exercise C. Change the following into interrogative sentence, students. Clearly you can see the instruction. Change the following into interrogative sentence. इसको हम interrogative sentence में change करना है. So let's understand how we change the sentences, any affirmative or negative sentence into the interrogative one. Let's understand it first. So let's see the first sentence. First sentence is he is writing a letter. So it's clear that it's affirmative sentence. Tense is present continuous. So how will you change? Whenever students, first you need to identify the verb. You can clearly see verb is there, helping verb is there. When the helping verb is there, we need to use it at first. हमें उसको पहले use करते हैं. Like you can see, he is writing a letter. So first we will use is. Helping verb, we will put first. पहले हम helping verb रखेंगे. Then subject. So subject is he. Is he. Again, main verb is already there in ing form. Is he writing a letter? Now you also need to change. You also need to use question mark. Now this sentence is into the interrogative sentence, students. Is he writing a letter? Similarly, see the second sentence. Avinash Singh, the boys are laughing. You can see in this sentence, the boys are laughing. Again, helping verb are is there. So you write helping verb first. Are the boys laughing? And interrogative marks. It's quite easy. Same way, you can also change the third sentence. Nothing is different. You change this sentence into the interrogative one by yourself. Put the helping verb first. Are the girls playing and question mark. It's quite easy again. Let's talk about the fourth sentence. The baby was crying. Again, helping verb is there. It is not also, it's also very simple sentence. Was, put was first. Was को पहले use करो. Was the baby crying and question mark. Again, it's very easy. Was the baby crying? Let's talk about the fifth sentence. My mother was cooking in the kitchen. So again, helping verb is there. Was used first. was my mother cooking in the kitchen? And interrogative marks. Again, it's easy. Himanshi flies an aeroplane. Now here, students, no helping verb is there. It's important one. Listen, look at the sentence. Here there is no helping verb, but by seeing the main verb, you will have to identify which tense is this. So S and ES we use in which tense? Past, beg your pardon, present indefinite. So which, what are the helping verb we use in interrogative and negative in present indefinite? Do and does. You have studied the tense. The helping verb do and does are used in the interrogative and in negative in the present indefinite. So here we need to make interrogative. So Himanshi, again third person singular number subject. So we will use does. I am writing here. You try to see does. First we will write does. Himanshi fly. Remember students, now you will not use IES. आपको यहाँ मेन वर्ब में जो IES दिया हुआ है इसको आपको यूज नहीं करना है Y. At the place of this we will use Y. In interrogative you know that we do not use S or ES into the verb. Verb में हम S और ES को use नहीं करते हैं. So we will write only fly. हम केवल fly लिखेंगे. Does Himanshi fly an aeroplane? And interrogative mark. Don't many a time students forget to mention interrogative mark. So don't do that. Interrogative mark जरूर वहाँ पर रखिए. Now let's talk about the seventh sentence. Again students, it's quite easy because helping verb is there. Whenever helping verb is there, it's quite easy for anyone to change that sentence into the interrogative one. So we will use each first. Each को पहले use करेंगे. Each the garden open for all and interrogative mark. It's quite simple. We will write is the garden open for all and interrogative mark. Quite simple. Let's talk about the eighth sentence. The fisherman is fishing. Again students, it's very simple because helping verb is there. You can see. So we will use helping verb first. Is fisherman fishing. Article the has been also used, so we will use it in the interrogative as well. Is the fisherman fishing? So this exercise is also completed student now. I hope you understood it. So before moving to the next exercise, if there is any problem you ask, then we will start the next exercise. I am going to unmute you. Is there any problem? किसी को पूछना है?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir. Sir, हम बाकी बच्चों को नहीं करवाएंगे.
Say again. What are you saying? Say again. What are you saying? Someone was asking something.
Question number 6.
What is problem in question number 6?
Sir, repeat.
Okay. Question number 6 is Himanshi flies an aeroplane. Does Himanshi fly an aeroplane? Now see the next exercise, students. You can clearly see exercise D. Change the following into interrogative negative sentences. It might be a little bit complicated because here we need to change the particular sentence into interrogative as well as negative. वो interrogative भी होना चाहिए और negative भी होना चाहिए. So let's see how we can change these sentences. कैसे बदल सकते हैं? Like first sentence is this book belongs to me. So first of all, you need to identify the tense, students. Since s has been used in the main verb, so it's present indefinite. So which helping verb are used in present indefinite? Do and does. So this book is a singular, so we'll use does. Does this book? Since we need to also make sure that it's negative one, so after subject we use not. Here you can see it's interrogative because we have used helping verbs, not. Now it's interrogative negative. So does this book belong? We don't use s or yes into the negative in the present indefinite. So does this book not belong? Don't need to add s there. वहां पे हमें s add नहीं करना है. To me and question mark, students. So this is how you can change. Similarly, it has many pages. So does, remember students, when we use does, we do not use has. जब does का यूज होगा तो हम has का यूज नहीं करेंगे, have का यूज करेंगे. So does it not have many pages and interrogative mark. Does, again I am just repeating, does it not have many pages? It is written in English. Again it's easy because helping verb is there. Is it not written in English? Students, you just try to change all these sentences into interrogative negative. Already I have done 2 sentences for you. 2 sentences में बता दिया हूँ. Let me check any difficult sentence because we have very less time. It's written in an easy language. It's also easy. It has a laminated cover. This sentence is also easy. You can easily change it into interrogative negative. All the sentences are quite easy. Let me just discuss sentence number 8. Reena has a lovely doll. So, has Reena not has Reena not a lovely doll? और you can make the sentence like this as well. एक और ऑप्शन है, उसको भी आप इस तरह से लिख सकते हो. Does, let's change it with the help of does. Student, does की help से इसको बनाओ आप. Does Reena not have a lovely doll? You can change the sentence like this. Does Reena not have a lovely doll? This way you can also change this sentence. Now students, exercise E is something, nothing is given like this into your grammar book, like exclamations. Here we need to remember, need to understand students, हमें इसको exclamatory sentence में change नहीं करना है. Rewrite the following statement as exclamation. हमें exclamation use करना है. Exclamation means the words which show through which we express our emotions, our feeling, like alas, bravo, such words. So here we need to use these words, not change the sentence into exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence में हमें change नहीं करना है, हमें बस उसको use करना है. Like this student has made this mistake. He has changed this sentence into the exclamatory sentence. ऐसे हमें change नहीं करना है. Like she is very beautiful. So he has written how beautiful she is. This is not the correct answer because here we do not need to change the sentence into exclamatory one. Exclamatory में change नहीं करना है. We just need to use exclamations, means word like wow, is like this. So I will come to this exercise, but before this we will discuss exercise related to tag question. You can clearly see students, it's important. It's also given in your syllabus of this in this chapter. Tag question. Complete this sentence with appropriate question tag students. Question tag हम लोग देखेंगे. So what is question tag? First let's understand again. Question tag क्या होता है पहले समझ लेते हैं. Question tags are question students in which we just use a small interrogative sentence at the end of the sentence. सेंटेंस का लास्ट में हम एक इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस का यूज करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, नेगेटिव वर्ड्स, एंड इट इज वी यूज इट टू कंफर्म समथिंग और एम्फसाइज समथिंग, किसी बात पे जोर देने के लिए, बल देने के लिए यूज करते हैं. सो हाउ वी मेक द टैग क्वेश्चन, लेट्स फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स. Like you can see the sentence first. If you are able to understand the first sentence, many of the sentences you can change by yourself or you can make the question tag of that. You have cleaned your shirt. Let's make the question tag of it. Sentence is like, you can see, you have cleaned your shirt. So first of all, students, you need to identify the main verb, helping verb. So helping verb is have, you can see. So it is rule, students, when the sentence is affirmative, sentence affirmative है, the question tag should be negative. Question tag कैसा होना चाहिए? Negative होना चाहिए. So have के साथ हम क्या जोड़ेंगे तो negative बन जाएगा? Not. So have not हम use करेंगे, and along with that we need to use its contracted form. एक contracted form होती है verb की student, जिसमें हम short form आप कह लो, short form. So have not का short form क्या हो जाता है? Haven't. Either you write this way, have not, and in short form have not को हम एक में together लिखेंगे तो कैसे लिखेंगे? Haven't. So in question tag we generally use short form. Short form का यूज होता है. So you also need to remember the short form of all this. Like have not का short form क्या होता है? Haven't. So what would be the question tag of it? We can write like this. You have not. You have cleaned your shirt. This is our sentence, affirmative sentence. You have cleaned your shirt. We need to make the question tag of it. So students, look at till here sentence is given in the book में दिया हुआ है, and you can see comma is there. इसके बाद comma का use हुआ है. After that we use the, since this sentence is the affirmative sentence, so the question tag should be in negative. So haven't he? Haven't, and the subject is you. So we will write haven't you, and then we use interrogative mark. So this would be the question tag of that sentence, students. Haven't you? Like this you can make. Again, let me tell you, I am clever. One rule is there, students. We do not use short form of am not, amn't. कई बार students जो है am not का short form amn't use करते हैं, but it is exception, students. We use aren't at the place of amn't. I के साथ जब am का use होता है, उसका हम contracted form use करते हैं, short form use करते हैं, तो amn't की जगह हम क्या लिखते हैं? Aren't का use करते हैं. For example, you can see in the sentence, you have, I am clever. I am clever. So as I told you about the rule, again it's affirmative, so its question tag should be like amn't I. But no, students, am I के लिए जो हम short form use करते हैं, that is aren't. आप याद कर लो इसको. Aren't I and question mark. So it would be like this, aren't I. Don't write amn't I. Amn't I उसका नहीं होगा question tag or tag questions. Let's talk about the third sentence. Rohan likes to watch TV, students. So you need to make the question tag of this sentence. So clearly you can see it's present indefinite. So in present indefinite we use do does. Do does का use होता है. So it would be like this. Rohan is the third person singular, so we'll use doesn't. Doesn't he? When there is name, students, जब subject के रूप में name का use होगा, like Rohan एक name है यहाँ पे, so for that we use third person pronoun, that is he. He का use करेंगे, third person singular pronoun. So Rohan के जगह पे हम Rohan नहीं लिखेंगे, क्या लिखेंगे? He. Doesn't he? And why we have you doesn't का use क्यों किया गया है? Because the sentence is affirmative. So sentence affirmative होता है, तो question tag कैसे बनाते हैं हम? Negative बनाते हैं. So that therefore we have you doesn't. Before moving, let me see, is there any problem? So you can ask your questions. because if you are not able to understand, you won't be able to make it. So first, understanding is very important. How we make question tag. Are you able to understand, students, how we are making question tag?
Yes, sir.
Question tag कैसे बने समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what would be the
Yes, sir.
now fourth sentence you clearly see it's already in negative. So now the question tag would be affirmative. Like Rajat won't be late. Won't जो है will not का short form है. Will not का short form जो आपकी book में दिया हुआ है that is won't. Will not का short form दिया हुआ है. So its question tag should be positive because sentence is already negative. So it would be will he.
Yes, sir.
Fourth sentence का
Yes,
question
sir.
tag होगा क्या होगा? Will he. Will he and question